Bikini bar Chicas Locas in El Paso County back in court today to determine the future of the controversial establishment. The county alleging that the business violated its settlement agreement forbidding them to operate as a sexually oriented business. Thank you for choosing KTSM 9 News at 10. I'm Andy Morgan.
And I'm Monica Cortez. Now, this all happened while the company says it has remained compliant and is trying to work with both the city and the county. Now, this is according to the city. They say that it's been closed since October 4th after the fire department issued an official notice saying they cannot reopen. The establishment cannot reopen until the provisions of the fire code have been met. KTSM 9 News reporter Tirza Ortiz has our top story at 10.
Today was supposed to be a remedy hearing where a judge heard testimony, looked at evidence, and determined the fate of Chicas Locas. But that's not what ended up happening.
We're entitled to some discovery. We're entitled to some evidence of what we allegedly did wrong. We don't believe we've done anything wrong. We believe we've complied with the court order and we should be back in business.
An extension to review evidence and a new hearing date. That was the outcome from the most recent court proceedings between RCI Holdings and El Paso County. Prosecutors were requesting the judge to order the bikini bar Chicas Locas to stop operating for 1 year after filing evidence that alleged they were not in compliance with the settlement made back in March. But the defense argued this action was unfair given they did not have enough time to review the items submitted. While the judge said the evidence shown was sufficient to assume Chicas Locas was in violation, RCI Holdings maintains they are not running a sexually oriented business because their club does not meet their requirements.
In order for a business to be a sexually oriented business, that they have to feature nudity or semi-nudity. If the female breast and the human buttocks are covered by opaque, meaning that you can't see through it, latex, then they're neither nude nor semi-nude.
This comes as the establishment is also battling the city of El Paso over not meeting fire code requirements, something that is preventing them from opening until a permit is granted.
We have met the requirements of the fire code. We believe that the city has said we've met the requirements of the fire code and that the cease and desist order should be released.
Prosecutors were not available to comment after court adjourned. The next hearing is set for November 25th. In downtown El Paso, Tirza Ortiz, KTSM 9 News.
And according to RCI's Holdings lead attorney, their team plans on filing a motion to combine the city and county lawsuits into one lawsuit.